My name is Ryan Rascop, and I am the AI Portfolio Manager at GDT. I think the challenge that many organizations are facing these days is really understanding how to utilize AI in their business. If they're not tracking KPIs or ROIs or metrics that are driving business outcomes for an organization, they're finding it challenging to get AI from pilot into production. In many cases, the blockers that they're running into are around data availability, governance, and not aligning business outcomes to the result of what they're trying to achieve. Some of these leaders are taking an approach from an AI perspective and treating it as a technology project rather than a true business outcome for their organizations. They may be thinking about things like data center infrastructure. The things that they're not thinking about, however, are the power, the cooling, the data center space, and the impact of implementing that into a data center that you already own or having to build one specifically purpose-built for that infrastructure. A lot of customers are making the decision to inject and engage in AI by purchasing infrastructure, not realizing that when they try to deploy it, they're running into all these additional challenges. The goal for GDT is to help our customers find the right use cases in AI and define the KPIs that truly matter to the business. The shift happens when the use cases, data quality, and infrastructure are all aligned to business outcomes, and the KPIs are driven by something that either makes money, saves money, or creates efficiencies. Successful organizations move from a one-off pilot to a successful and scalable AI model in their organizations. The best way to get started with GDT in the AI space is with our AI strategy workshop. We partner with our clients together to uncover the most important needle-moving use cases in their organization, tie it to return on investment, ensure that they're going down the right path to create a true business outcome. We assess readiness across infrastructure, data, governance, and talents to understand where our customers are in the AI journey today. When we're talking about AI-ready infrastructure, we're not just talking about the technology behind supporting artificial intelligence. A lot of it has to do with the availability and the readiness of data, the security protocols, ensuring that data is governed and safe for use, and also ensuring that you have the correct systems in place and organizational changes in place to ensure success with the AI infrastructure. One of the areas that we do truly focus on is reliability under demanding conditions, which is paramount to AI success. GDT has a long storied history with some of the biggest providers of infrastructure in the world, including large service providers, telecommunications organizations, and the global network. When we talk about carrier-grade infrastructure for AI, we're talking about the systems and solutions that we would technically use in those areas as well. Not every deployment is going to be the same. Some cases it's going to be much more difficult. In the carrier-grade infrastructure space, we're ensuring uptime, performance, and outcomes for our customers. The key is turning AI into an operational capability for an organization, not just a bunch of disconnected pilots.